Indian financial market and insurance in India. Question 1. With reference to treasury bills, consider the following statements. 1. Treasury bills are used by the central government to fulfill its long-term liquidity. 2. Banks cannot keep treasury bills as SLR-approved security. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 2. With reference to call money market, consider the following statements. 1. Call money market is an interbank money market where funds are borrowed and lent. 2. In the call money market, borrowing can take place only against securities. 3. Individuals are also allowed to borrow and lend in the call money market. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. Consider the following statements. 1. The cash management bills are non-standard and discounted instruments issued for maturities less than 91 days. 2. The cash management bills are similar to treasury bills in terms of their redemption. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 4. Consider the following statements. 1. The instruments of the security market are traded directly between the capital raiser and the instrument purchaser. 2. Equity market is an example of a primary market. 3. Shares sold on the Bombay Stock Exchange are examples of primary markets. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding regulation of sweat equity in the Indian economy. 1. Sweat equity refers to shares issued by a company to its employees for non-cash consideration. 2. There is no maximum limit of sweat equity shares that can be issued by a listed company. 3. Companies are only allowed to provide sweat equity benefits to employees who are exclusively working for a company and not to any of its group companies, including a subsidiary or an associate. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding digital banking units. 1. A digital banking units are a specialized fixed-point business unit that provides digital banking products and services. 2. These units can be set up by commercial banks, including regional rural banks and payment banks. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 7. There are high-profile institutional investors that are allotted shares before the subscription opens for retail and other investors and have to commit to holding their shares for a certain period after listing. These investors also aid in price discovery of the IPO and get guaranteed allotment a day before the IPO opens to the public, are normally allocated 60% of the QIB quota. Which of the following investors are referred to in the above lines? A. Angel investors. B. Peer-to-peer lenders. C. Venture capitalists. D. Anchor investors. Question 8. Consider the following regarding different types of bonds issued in India. 1. In green bonds, the money raised by the issuer is earmarked towards financing green projects like renewable energy and clean transportation. 2. Social impact bonds are contracts with the public sector or governing authority, in which the repayment and return on investment do not depend upon achievement of desired social outcomes. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding Bima Manthan 2022. 1. Bima Manthan is a hackathon with the theme Innovation in Insurance organized by SEBI. 2. Only citizens of India or persons with Indian origin are eligible to participate in this hackathon. 3. The Bima Manthan aims for innovative technology to stop motor insurance fraud, facilitate automatic death claim processing as well as insurance inclusivity. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 10. Consider the following statements regarding PM Jan Arogya Yojana. 1. PM Jan Arogya Yojana is a central sector scheme that aims for universal health coverage. 2. The scheme covers both pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization expenses. 3. The beneficiaries are identified by socio-economic and caste census 2011. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 11. Which of the following is based on mutual funds financial mechanism? 1. Infrastructure Investment Trust, InvITs. 2. National Investment Fund. 3. Real Estate Investment Trusts, REITs. 4. Bharat Bond Exchange Traded Fund. Choose the correct option using the code given below. A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 4 only. C. 1, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 12. Which of the following statements about Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, DICOG, are correct? 1. It registers a bank as insured immediately and automatically on issuance of banking license. 2. For all insured banks, payment of deposit insurance premium to DICOG is compulsory. 3. Deposit insurance cover is 1 lakh rupees per depositor per bank. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above.